Welcome to the spring semester at OTC. Students return to our campuses, centers, and online classrooms on January 18th, and we greeted them with treats, games, and even puppies. Video producer Austin Barton wraps up the sights and sounds from the first week of classes at OTC. A year from now, OTC's first ever competitive sports team will have completed its first season. Esports is coming to the Springfield campus, and the Eagles' first competitive season will be in the fall. This spring, the college will unveil its brand new gaming arena with a dozen high-powered gaming computers along with console games. On February 18th, students and employees are welcome to check out the new gaming space from noon until 4. Tryouts for the 20 spots on the esports team will take place the last week of February. The team will compete in League of Legends, Rocket League, and Super Smash Bros., and they're expecting a huge turnout for students seeking a spot on the team.
We're seeing a lot of excitement. We have almost 200 people in our Discord, and every day that number grows. I check the form, the interest form every morning, and there's always like one or two more names on there. We had a young man stop by while we were waiting in here and asked some questions and wanted some information. So yeah, I think there's a lot of interest, and we're kind of planning for that with tryouts, expecting quite a large number of people who want to try out.
Dr. Ford said she'd like to have the team assembled before spring break, so when the students come back from break, they'll be ready to start regular practices. At OTC, we're always helping our students find jobs, and January was no different. We held a job fair at the Springfield campus featuring several employers, including Highland Dairy, Springfield Sign, and Turner's Rock Senior Living. Right now, it's tough for employers to find quality workers, and that's why many of these institutions are recruiting at OTC.
We're trying to uncover any candidates that we can. We're trying to think outside the box and just reach out to any potential candidates and applicants to look for any particular jobs that they might be looking for. We want to help them find us.
Construction on the Robert W. Plaster Center for Advanced Manufacturing continues. Right now, drywall is being installed. There is temporary heat to keep the workers comfortable while they're working, and overhead doors are installed. The metal panels are also going up on the exterior of the building. All of the work will be complete by August of this year when we open the doors to students. Also this month, the college launched its marketing campaign for the PMC. You can check out the new website at dreambigger.otc.edu. You can go see the Missouri State Bears take on Larry Bird's alma mater on the hardwood on Tuesday, February 15th for half price. It's OTC night at MSU. The Bears play the Indiana State Sycamores. OTC employees get in for half price, students get in for free. Just present your ID at the box office to purchase tickets and receive the discount. The college is closed on Monday, February 21st for President's Day. Students get Tuesday off too, as employees gather virtually for our third annual Innovation Celebration at 2. We leave you with more photos from the opening week of the 2022 spring semester. Enjoy the photos, and until next time, I'll see you around the college.